Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your devices. Make sure your Apple Watch is charged and paired to your iPhone. Once paired, enable Bluetooth and wrist detection. This ensures heart rate and motion data record accurately. Open the Workout app now and pick the activity that matches your session so metrics align with your goal. If you plan to stream music, connect Bluetooth headphones at this step. Do this quickly. It avoids mid-workout interruptions and gives correct calorie and heart rate tracking from the first rep. You now set the tracking details that matter. Customize your watch face to show heart rate and timer so you glance less. Next, set a target, calories, time, or an open workout with auto pause because targets focus effort and improve metric accuracy. When ready, press start. For interval work, use the lap or segment button to mark sets or rounds. Make sure to keep the watch snug on your wrist. A loose fit reduces optical heart rate reliability and can skew your results during intense sets. You finish by ending the workout and reviewing the summary on your watch. Note calories, heart rate zones, and duration to track progress. Once done, allow your watch to sync with the iPhone so the health and fitness apps store the full record for analysis. If you see missing or off readings, check sensor contact, tighten the band, and confirm app permissions. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart the watch and phone if sync or sensor problems persist. This often clears transient Bluetooth or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.